Hi, I'm Paul Victor. I'm an entrepreneur and international digital marketing strategist. After years of serving the international market, in March 2018, I was selected to train and teach local businesses on these subject matters such as SEO, PPC ads, YouTube marketing, social branding, email marketing, lead generation, and everything in between. Digital marketing is one of those terms that's been made to seem way more complicated than it actually is. It seems to mean something different to everyone. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is just marketing using digital tools, and marketing is nothing more than communicating value proposition or a solution to your target audience. In essence, digital marketing is there for communicating value to your customers or target audience using digital tools. We live in the rapidly changing times where there's always something new on the horizon. What is relevant today in the digital world can be irrelevant next week. So only through education, we are able to ride this wave of change. By learning from the best and aligning our knowledge, we raise our standard and strengthen our profession. So it's not about making a choice to learn, but choosing who to learn from. It's about finding the specialists, the experienced innovators, and the leaders in education, and approved by industrial giants that will add you to their network of professionals who have gone on to do great things. So, if you're an employee or an employer and you're still struggling after attending expensive courses and still can't figure out it's insane course at Excel Academy in collaboration with UMI, we have put together a structured foundation course that take you from point A to point B, and with over 28,000 alumni members worldwide. So stop struggling and start growing and scale your business to the next level.